Circular economy is, for us, it's using what we already have. If we're able to capture products or items and use them again, we're able to give it another life. I'm Piers, Director of Precious Plastic Melbourne. Precious Plastic is a community founded in the Netherlands in 2013 in response to the low recycling rates. A Dutch designer called Dave was looking into it for a university project, realised that we just weren't recycling enough plastic. He was able to develop his own machines and know how to recycle and work with plastic. And then at the end of the university project, he gave those plans and knowledge away for free and has built a community over the last 10 or so years. It's been quite an impactful community and group, and we joined that in 2019. I'm the one with the crazy ideas, willing to try new things. I've got a little bit of a creative background, but I'm not an engineer or anything like that. I've got people around me that do the engineering or the mechanical work. I've just simply got ideas. Having the space to allow people to wander around, look at things and use the equipment safely has been pretty important for us. We run a range of different workshops, school holiday workshops. Sometimes we're contacted by groups coming from overseas who are going on factory tours, who want to do something different. They might be looking at recycling, whereas what we offer is a practical workshop. We can get your hands in the equipment and really melting and processing material rather than just looking through windows at facilities. Precious Plastic, originally they gave the plans away for free. We originally built those machines as they were, but then we wanted to start selling machines to others. We wanted to give it a bit of a premium feel. We didn't want it to feel DIY, especially if you're working with our clients. Our clients are mostly schools. So if you're selling equipment to schools, you want them to be assured that they're buying a quality product. So we've got a couple of machines over here. Typically you'll start the process with the collection. You'll collect plastic and you will shred it. This is a benchtop shredder. It's an educational tool. The idea is that your bottle caps or any plastic goes into the hopper and then comes out as a raw material, as a flake. Looks quite like this. Then that material needs to be melted. That goes into an extruder and you put a mold on the end. It's a hand cranked machine. Now, the idea is that you're engaging with the process. This is especially good for kids to understand how these things work. And then over here, we've got an injection molding machine. So this is our injection molding machine. We'll do the same thing as the extruder, except on a larger scale. And it hasn't got a screw, it's got a piston. So plastic will go in the hopper. It will then be pressed down with this piston into a hot area and then into a mold. The idea is it's recyclable again at the end of its life. We may as well just be using what we have.